howl loud for the moon. Am I reaching out for you underground? Am I loud? But somehow for you and I distress, as long as no one asks what this really feels like inside out. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say